Hello and welcome. So today's topic is our anal canal. It is the terminal part of our GI system, gastrointestinal system. It is almost 4 centimeter long and it starts from our anorectal junction. It is situated almost 2 to 3 centimeter in front and slightly below to the tip of the coccyx or coccyx bone. And then it passes downward, it goes downward a little bit posteriorly and opens into the anal orifice. Now, this anal orifice presents in the center of the cleft of the buttock and it is almost 4 centimeter antero-inferior to the tip of the coccyx or coccyx bone. And in relationship, you're going to find anteriorly perineal body. In male, spongy urethra along with the bulb of penis. And in female, you're going to find directly lower part of the vagina. That's it. Laterally, on each side, you're going to find ischiorectal fossa and its contents. That's it. Now, one important thing try to understand. Suppose this is the anal canal and I cut this anal canal in vertical section, sagittal section. So you can see the inner part of this, the inner wall of this anal canal. And you can see two lines as you can see in this photo. Now, upper line or the above line is known as pectinate line. And the lower one is known as Hilton's line. Now, this upper part of this pectinate line is known as upper area. The middle part is known as intermediate area. And the lower part is known as lower area. Simple. Now, one by one, you have to know about these details. Now, the upper area extends from anorectal junction to the pectinate line and it is almost 15 millimeter in length. Okay, it contains semi-transparent mucous membrane. Now the entire length of this upper area of anal canal, you're going to find three types of epithelium. First of all, simple columnar, then you're going to find stratified columnar, and then you're going to find stratified squamous epithelium. Now in upper area, one thing you're going to find which is columns of Morgagni or anal columns. What is these? These are actually permanent mucous fold presents in longitudinal position. Okay, almost 6 to 10 in numbers, more prominent in children, formed by reduplication of this mucous membrane, and it contains superior rectal vessels along with muscularis mucosae or mucosa. Okay, next is our middle area. This middle area is also known as area of pecten. It is also known as intermediate area. This area presents in between the pectinate line and the Hilton's line. It is also almost 15 millimeter in length. And the surface epithelium is non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. And next you're going to find lower area. It is also known as anal verge. It is almost 8 millimeter in length, presents below the Hilton's line, made by completely skin. Okay, it's a cutaneous structure. So obviously you're going to find lots of hair follicles and lots of skin pigmentations. Now, the importance of this pectinate line is upper part of this pectinate line is supplied by superior rectal vessels and the lower part of this pectinate line is supplied by inferior rectal vessels. In lymphatic supply, the upper part drained into internal iliac nodes and the lower part drains into superficial inguinal nodes. That's why this pectinate line is also known as watershed line. This upper part of this pectinate line has sympathetic and parasympathetic supply. Sympathetic supply coming from the superior hypogastric plexus, mainly L1, L2, and the parasympathetic plexus coming from the pelvic splenic plexus, mainly the S2, S3, S4. Okay. Along with additionally you are getting autonomic nervous supply. Okay, and the lower part of this pectinate line, it has only inferior rectal nerves. That's it. It has no autonomic nervous supply. Okay, now the Hilton's line, it is made by the anal intersphincteric groove at the lower part of the internal sphincter muscles. And as you know, this anal canal has internal and external sphincter muscles. That's it. What are the muscles? I already talked about these things in my earlier videos. So this is all about a brief video of our anal canal. I hope you understand everything about this. It is very important for MCQ based exams. And see you soon. Till then, bye.